Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Quidditch inspired outfit on Dress to Impress, like the golden flying ball. I don't know what it's called. Okay, I'm sorry, but it's from Harry Potter. So you're just going to grab the apple and make it the rotten to the core. You don't need to wear like a hair or like an outfit, but like you could. I'm just gonna like wear a dress actually, just so it's like not super plain. Okay, I just favorited that, which is good because I need it. I mean, okay, whatever. It's not gonna be able. You're not going to be able to see it. Okay, get the coconut, select hold, go into VIP and select this purse, bag, whatever. Select type 2. Then you are going to get the umbrella and you're just going to color it gold. So support patterns. And then here I'm going to color that gold. And then here I'm going to color that gold. And I'm going to color the rest with this color palette. You can make it any color that you want. Wait, hold on. Why did I color that one? Can I? Oh. Which one's the... Oh, this one. Wait, why is it this color? Hold on, y'all. Nope. Oh, is it the fourth one? Sorry, I'm like... Well, I'm just gonna color it that gold sparkle. Again, don't mind the back. Select the witch's broom and select walk. For the last piece, get the wings and select bigger, enable particles, and I'm going to color it gold. Oh, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.